Hey guys! Alright, here's what we can't do. We can't have you stare on me. I'm trying to talk to my people. Hey guys! You know, it's this feels weird. I what, 7 months now? 7 months. Sheesh. It's your girl Shavunofficial and welcome to my channel. Bonnet settings, yard clothes. It's Labor Day in Jamaica. Well, you know, I personally don't have no grass and thing with me. I gotta dig up and blah blah blah. But I have two little aloe vera plant outside when I need for water. I'm gonna set them out like what it look like Serena go fall. Alright, cool. So as you can tell from the title, I'm here to give you an update. It's been 7 months. It's been 7 months and I know that I had good support here in this space. So it's like
Shav, like, subscribe, share, comment. Is what you mean? Where are you? Where are the videos? What's going on? What's going on?
But you would have seen my last video 7 months ago and it was showing some highlights of a trip that I went on with my team members yeah, so I'll fill you in as to what it is that I'm really up to now, what's been going on, what changes have happened, and I guess I should just properly reintroduce myself. Okay, so obviously I made a new video. If you know my last time, my old time from when introduction video, it would have shown you the old me. Let me properly introduce myself. My name is Mrs. Shavun, bailey-leckie, financial advisor, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, graphic designer, CEO, and mother of my unborn children. Alright, so I know that's no one know. I don't want to say belly over here. But anyways, first thing that has changed is that I am a pescatarian. I don't like putting labels on myself because I know that I am very dynamic and I change. So one of the first things, I have changed my diet. I don't eat meat anymore again. I don't have an appetite for it. I wanted to see some changes in my energy. I've had way more energy since cutting meat out. Mood swings have been different. You know, whatever groggy feeling I used to feel, I don't feel that anymore. That's what it does for me. It's not like I have nothing against me, because if you don't know me,
love a pig stew. I love meat, I love little jerk chicken, I love meat.
and I've had to make the decision to cut it out of my diet and fast food, because me that eat whole heap of patty, me that one I got something. That's the first thing. The second thing is little mama done gained some weight, honey. Yeah, I gained some weight. I know like me used to exercise and them something there. I don't really exercise no more, but the one Gia claims say he want to start walk back on the hill, and I'm taking it seriously this time, you know. But I'm having a struggle with exercising. I have an energy to talk, I have energy to do things with my mind. When it comes to moving my body because of the lockdown and the fact that I can't get to play sports that I really love netball, I really love to dance, and I have been not in that space for some years now. Yeah, that's the second update. Third update, my baby, my daughter, unfortunately, my daughter Poka, you're used to her from the old introduction video. Look at that when we have that video, right? Yes, our baby has transitioned. This happened in January. We're still coping. I personally am still coping, because for those of you who might know but you don't know, and if you don't know, you know, that Poka was like my pet therapy thing, you know. Like, I got her when I really needed her. when I was struggling mentally, and she has been like an integral part of my healing and my growth. And I had to put her down in January. She had cancer, and we did our best to keep her, but she was suffering too much and we had to put her down. The sad part about it is that I work close to JSPC and I have to drive past a couple times well for the week, and the pain never goes. Yeah, so that's what number 3. Okay, number 4. I'm gonna stop number them because I'm gonna lose count. The next change, of course, I said team members, right? The last video I would have been with my team members. I'm a financial advisor now. Last year, April, I would have started that journey into transitioning into the business, and I did say I would have said, you know what this whole transition is about, and blah 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 blah. So I guess you can stay tuned for the next video on that. Yeah, why I became a financial advisor and what the process is like for some of you who want to know. All right, the next change is that we bought a new car. Well, we bought new cars. For uno know Betsy, uno know my driving history over here. Uno know, remember from when I learned how to drive, from before I get my license. I never vlogged the entire process of getting my license and everything. It was tedious, but you know, so that's something new, and you know, something that has been a long time coming, because Betsy never had a go and go herself. She never behave herself. She wasn't behaving. So you got new cars. What else? What else is, babe? What else is new? Babe? What else is new? What else is new? I said poker, I said the job change, I gain weight, I change my diet, what? Yeah, what? Get big. What else?
I don't know. I listen to my music, you know.
But I need your help, boy.
No, just like while I run me.
I love you though. What other changes? Well, I feel like I'm a new person. I've been seeking mental clarity and a certain level of spiritual maturity for quite some years now. I'm not telling you like the rotten stuff. Rain fall about the rotten stuff. You understand? It's been a while since I've been struggling mentally, struggling emotionally, struggling even financially, struggling spiritually, and I can say that I'm in a better place now. Nothing is perfect. I still have my ups and my downs, but I have learned how to respond better to life. Let me say that, because persons will think that I'm coming on here presenting like, oh, my life is happy and oh, I'm so good and blah blah blah. Over here is, you know, we good over here, you know. But I'm definitely in a better place mentally, spiritually, emotionally. I am voicing my opinions. I am setting boundaries. I am setting standards for myself. I am going out there and trying to achieve my goals. And my purpose is at the forefront. And so that's it for my little update. If nothing else come up, I'm never remember. I can probably say it in another video, but for starters, that's what's been going on. I had to pause from YouTube for a minute because I was starting something new and I wanted to give it all or most of my energy, at least in the front end. You know, Instagram is there and social media is kind of hard to keep up with, and my business has to do a lot with your personal brand and stuff, and so I saw a better opportunity there over Instagram to build my brand and to get to know more people. But I'm back now on YouTube. I am back on YouTube because I've learned how to strike a balance, and I want you guys to join my journey. You know, I have businesses that I want to launch. I guess maybe we can, you know, we could when we're house hunting, you know, we can probably take you on that journey as well. Oh yes, we're property owners, but we still have not found our first home. So that has changed as well. God is good all the time, you know. So it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I'm wearing my power color pink. You'll be seeing me in my bonnet from Satinique. I'll drop their Instagram page in the description. This was a gift from my very good friend Alicia. Thank you, Bala. It was my birthday gift and I really love it, and it's my favorite color. So I'm very proudly wearing it here on YouTube. Yeah, thank you. I'm back. I'm here. I'm for you guys. You know, I was watching Odyssey by Yendi last night. Today I'm Monday. Today's Labor Day. Yeah, I was watching Odyssey by Yendi where she was interviewing Taurus Riley, and she's like, you know, so what should we expect? And he's like, no, expect me, don't expect me. Me call you when me a come. When me a come, I'm up on my way. Me call you and make you know so you can come out. But don't expect me, because I realized that I am just following the leading of the Lord. And I can't tell how long I'll be a financial advisor. I can't tell how long I'll be doing X or I'll be doing Y. I'm just following the cloud. I'm moving with the groove. Flowing with the, no, going with the flow. Yeah, and so I'm here because I want to be here, and I want to inspire, encourage, motivate, and educate. Especially now since I've learned some things. I've experienced some things as well. So thank you guys. Thanks for being a part of my community. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, light.